students, Jai Gurudev. Today we will study mole concept, empirical formula and molecular formula. Students, we know that mole is a counting unit of chemists for counting small particles like atoms, molecules, ions, electrons, protons, etc. One mole represent 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Just like dozen, one dozen equals to 12, one score equals to 20, and one brass equals to 144 items. So we can define mole. One mole is the amount of substance that contains as many particles as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of C12 isotope. The mass of an atom of C12 isotope is determined by mass spectrometer and is equals to 1.992648 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. This is the mass of an atom of C12 isotope. So we can calculate the number of atoms of C12 isotopes in exact 12 gram, then 12 gram per mole C12 isotope equals to 1 upon 1.992648 into 10 to the power minus 23 is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This number is so important that it is given a separate name and symbol, that is Avogadro's constant, and represented by Na. Avogadro's constant. Avogadro's constant equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now we can say that 1 mole of carbon atom C12 atom are 12 gram. So the mass is fixed. 1 mole of oxygen atom equals to 16 gram. 1 mole of nitrogen atom equals to 15 gram. 1 mole of carbon atoms equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Number is also fixed. Mass is fixed. 1 mole of substance and number is also fixed. 1 mole of CO2 gas or any gas is equals to 22.4 liter at STP, standard temperature and pressure. 1 mole of any gas contains 22.4 liter at STP. We have learned some formulas in previous classes of mole concept. These are number of mole equals to given mass upon atomic mass or molar mass of that substance. N equals to given number of particles upon Avogadro's number. By this we can calculate the number of moles. By this we can calculate the number of moles. And N equals to volume of any gas at STP upon 22.4 liter. These three formula. By these formula we can calculate the number of moles if the given mass is known, if the number of particles are known, or the volume of any gas at STP is known, then we can find the number of moles. By these two formula we can represent this M given mass upon molar mass equals to given number of particles upon Avogadro's number. By this we can calculate anything, given mass, number of particles, molar mass and Avogadro's number. Okay, this is mole concept. We have given some questions of mole concept, numerical problems in PDF. So solve the problems. Now we will study empirical formula and molecular formula. Yes, student. First, empirical formula. The empirical formula of a compound is defined as the simplest whole number ratio of various atoms, different atoms present in given compound. The simplest whole number ratio of various atoms present in the given compound. For example, the empirical formula of benzene is CH. What is the formula of benzene? Molecular formula C6H6. So the simplest whole number ratio C6H6, that is the molecular formula, and simplest whole number ratio, then it is empirical formula. Empirical formula of hydrogen peroxide H2O2 is H4. Empirical formula of glucose C6H12O6 is equals to CH2O. Empirical formula of acetic acid CH3COOH. This is molecular formula. What is empirical formula? C2H4O2. Then simplest ratio CH2O. This is the empirical formula of acetic acid. This is the empirical formula of glucose. Both both the same. Empirical formula of glucose and acetic acid are same. Okay. Now what is molecular formula? Molecular formula shows the exact number of different atoms present in one molecule of that compound. Exact number of different atoms. For example, the molecular formula is of carbon dioxide is CO2, water is H2O, glucose C6H12O6, benzene C6H6, acetic acid CH3COOH. Okay. If the mass percentage of various elements present in a compound are known, then its empirical formula can be calculated and its molecular formula further can be calculated if molar mass of the compound is known. We will understand calculation of empirical and molecular formula by an example given in NCERT. Yes, student, this is the short question of NCERT, example question of NCERT. A compound contains 24.27% of carbon, 4.07% hydrogen, and 71.65% chlorine. Its molar mass is 98.96 gram. 98.96 gram. Calculate its molecular formula. So this information is given. These elements are given, only 3 elements, and mass percentage is given in the numerical. We know the atomic mass of these elements 12, 1 and 35.5. First we will make a table because it is easier and convenient to calculate these numericals by making a table. Elements, mass percentage, atomic mass, number of moles, simplest molar ratio and simplest whole number molar ratio. How can we calculate number of moles? 24.27%. If the mass of organic compound is taken as 100 gram, then it is 24.27 gram. So number of moles given mass upon atomic mass 24.27 upon 12 equals to 2.02. 4.07 upon 1 equals to 4.07. 71.65 upon 35.5 equals to 2.02. These are the number of moles. Then we calculate simplest molar ratio. This is the least number of moles. So we divide all the number of moles and calculate simplest molar ratio. 2.02 divided by 2.02 equals to 1. 4.07 divided by 2.02 equals to 2, and 2.02 divided by 2.02, so this is also. If the simplest molar ratio in fraction, suppose that 1.5, 2.5, then we multiply by suitable integer and we can put simplest whole number molar ratio. In this case, these are not in fraction, whole numbers also, so these are 1 to 1. Okay. Now we can calculate empirical formula of compound C1 1 is not written, H2Cl. Calculate the empirical formula mass, 12 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 35.5, so equals to 49.5 gram. This is empirical formula. Mass, molar mass is given, then we can calculate the value of N. N equals to molecular mass, molar mass of the compound upon empirical formula mass. Its molar mass is 98.96 gram. And its empirical formula mass is 49.5 gram equals to 2. Then we can calculate molecular formula. Molecular formula equals to N into empirical formula. So equals to 2 into CH2Cl, CH2Cl equals to C2H4Cl2. This is the molecular formula of the compound and this is the empirical formula of the compound. Student, I have given many questions of calculating empirical formula and molecular formula. In some questions, molar mass is not given, vapor density is given. Then how can we calculate molar mass? Molar mass equals to 2 into vapor density, and we can calculate molecular formula. So practice these questions given in PDF about empirical formula and molecular formula. We will discuss next topics in next video. Thank you. Jai Hind.